Hi friends, in today's lecture we will study the DGET function of Microsoft Excel. So here you can see in my sheet I have three columns. First is division, second is department, and third is the name. Now what I want that whatever name I type over here, his corresponding division and department should be displayed over here. Now you know that if I use the VLOOKUP function, VLOOKUP can search for values only on the right side of the item which you search. However, in our case, the items which I want to search is on the left of the item. So how do we do that? You can do the same with the help of the DGET function. So first what I'll do, for the names, I'll create a list, a drop-down list. So for that, I click over here. Then I click on data. And in the validation tools, I select data validation. Over here, I type list. And for the source, so in the right side, I have given the list of names which are sorted in the ascending order. I select the names and I click on OK. So now you can see that what I get over here is a drop-down list through which I can select any name. Now take for example, I select this name Ann Withers. So let us see where is Ann Withers. So here you have Ann Withers, and just for understanding, I'll highlight it in a light green color. So I want to pull out the division name for Ann Withers and the department name for Ann Withers. So first let us work out on the division name. So here I use the function called as equal to DGET, and then I type open parenthesis. Now the first parameter which it asks me is to select the database. So I click over here and then I press shift and down arrow and shift and right arrow. Remember, when you specify the database, do not forget to highlight the field names as well. Comma. Now it is asking me the field which you want to search. So in our case, the field which I want to search is division. And then I type comma, and now it is asking me the criteria. So the criteria, I select name and Withers. And now I close parenthesis and I hit enter. So you can see that what I got over here is for Ann Withers, the division is productivity. Now let us see what happens if I drag the formula to the right. If you drag the formula to the right, you are getting hash value. And the reason for that is simple, that because you type G2 over here, it has changed to H2 over here. But the next value, that is the criteria, has changed from F2 to F3. Okay. So we have to alter those changes. So first thing which we'll do is this data, get data which is there over here, that I will make it fix. So I'll press F4 to fix this. Then whatever is the heading, that is division and department, that should change. So I'm not altering it. And then comes the criteria field. So criteria I want should remain constant. So I press F4 to lock the criteria. Now I just drag it to the right and you can see for Ann Withers, the division is productivity and the department is procurement. Let us check for another name. Let us take the name as Briquette Bond. And let me highlight where is Briquette Bond. So here you can see Briquette Bond, utility and sales. So you can see utility and sales. Let us check for one more name, Daniel Garrett, productivity and finance. So here you have Daniel Garrett, productivity and finance. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you again in the next lecture. Till that time, goodbye.